Hello guys, and welcome to my channel, Only in Your Mind. My name is Natasha, and I'm really excited to get started and do one of my favorite types of makeups, which is steampunk. So I hope you guys enjoy this steampunk inspired makeup. Keep watching to see how I did it. Hey guys, I'm back, and it seems like I haven't done makeup for a while. But with this makeup, I'm starting off with Fab's Indian Brown, and I'm just going to go around my eyes with that color, and from one side of my forehead to the other side of my cheek, and connect everything. This makeup is actually my first makeup for 2018. I've released other makeups at the beginning of the year, but those makeups were actually done 2017, and I released them or posted them 2018. So I'm happy to say I'm trying to get back on track with doing my makeups. I've had a lot going on at the ending of last year, beginning of this year. So back to the makeup for now. Right here I'm creating gears, and I am using a Fab Gold, and I'm just making some circles and then doing some lines around those circles for the gears. I'm also going to be adding some lines inside of the circles for some of the gears, and right now you can't really tell until I start adding some shading that the gears are going to stand out much better. And I'm going to repeat those steps to make the gears inside of this area. I hope you guys had a good start to the beginning of 2018. And I had a lot going on, but one of the brighter sides of this year is I started a new hobby. I've started making my own handmade soaps. I know that sounds kind of funny, but it's really fun, and I'm hoping to actually make a business out of it. It's pretty cool. So that's what I've been up to. Tell me a little bit more about yourself. Tell me what you guys have planned for this year. Put it in the comments below. I would love to hear what you guys are doing. Okay, so back to the makeup. Now that I'm done filling in gears in that area, I wanted to fill in the background of the gears with some more like a tannish color, but I decided to just go ahead and jump in and do some shadowing with Mehron's Starblend in black. And I'm going to take that Starblend and put it on a tiny brush and get in between the gears and in back of the gears and everywhere. And I'm just going to fill it in because that's where it's going to help make those gears stand out. I'm also going to take that Starblend and do some shading on the side of my face because I extended the design on that side of my face, and with some Cameleon black I'm gonna make everything look a little bit darker in certain areas of the gears. And here's where I'm using that Starblend, and even at the corner of the, I don't know what this is, maybe this is like a mask I guess, but to make everything look darker I'm going to take a tad bit of that black in certain areas. For this makeup I didn't have any photos that I referred to. This was just basically my idea. And for most of my makeups I usually just go in and turn on the camera and start painting. And if I have a specific design that I want to do, I usually look for something online and refer to that. But most of the time I just go in and hope for a great outcome. So keeping that in mind that I'm creating this makeup out of my head, I'm making some grommets to hold this mask together on each end, and I'm using that gold that I've been using. Then around that gold area I'm gonna do some shadowing with that black Starblend, and then line it up with some Cameleon black. Then through the mask I'm going to also do some shading and also some highlights with some Starblend in white. Then follow that up with some Paradise White. Then along the mask that's supposed to look like leather, I'm going to throw in some shadows and some highlights. I'm also going to use a face painting sponge with a little bit of light brown and dab it on the brown face paint just to make it look kind of leathery. And then line up certain areas of the mask with that Cameleon black. So I'm going to do lots of shadowing outside of the mask and on top of the mask, and add some more highlights on the mask with some light tan. And then to add some stitching, I'm going to use some of that black Starblend and then do little lines, and then on top of those lines I'm going to add some more lines with some black from Cameleon. And I added some highlights in between those lines. To complete this makeup, I put on some purple lipstick, and then in the middle of that purple lipstick I added some white face paint, and I think it turned out pretty good. Now I'm coming to the end of this makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup. I really did. It was really fun because I love steampunk. The style is really awesome, and I hope you had a really great beginning of the year, and I hope for you guys to have a really awesome year. And I will see you guys on my next makeup. You guys are amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching me do this steampunk inspired makeup. If you guys like this makeup, please give me a like. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can be part of the Only in Your Mind family. And I will see you guys on my next makeup.